Hello and welcome to Tech Talks Thursday. Today we are going to discuss a particular scenario on Zoho CRM, but I believe for any CRM user this is a very common scenario. So we know that if you use Zoho CRM or HubSpot or Salesforce, usually the leads are being captured through the standard forms. So Zoho has Zoho forms, HubSpot has its own forms, and whenever these leads are like the inquiry forms are received in the website, auto entered within the CRM. But apart from that, there are a lot of other forms which are maybe very smaller, maybe very insignificant, but these forms are being used in various areas for brochure download, for PDF read like a white paper. The other usage of such forms can be, seeing a video, can be within the paid ads. So we know that whenever you run a lot of paid ads and its variations, you use simple forms to capture the minimum data, maybe name and maybe an email ID. Similar happens in brochure download, white paper download, downloading a video content, and similar type of downloading an image and similar type of things. So in short, basically apart from the standard Zoho forms or HubSpot forms, there can be many other small forms which are custom forms can be used in an organization. These forms, whenever they capture any lead, that lead usually we receive within email, and that lead need to be entered within CRM, need to be profiled within CRM, and that takes a lot of time. And we can't deny the usage of such forms, and it is not possible to use Zoho forms or HubSpot forms, long forms, a structured thing everywhere whenever I'm running a paid ad or I'm giving a content to download. So these kind of data which is being captured can be automatically entered within a CRM system through appse AI, and today we are going to demonstrate that. So let's see this, that how I have designed this workflow, where I will showcase how we can analyze a form's data, a simple form which I receive within my Outlook, and put that form data through AI, analyze that lead, and then enter the whole data within CRM system. So let's say the first thing I will do is, first of all, I can plan the execution of this workflow automatically, manually, or on schedule. So in this case, I started it on schedule. I have selected in this case that every day. So this workflow will run once each day. It doesn't require much, and it will analyze a particular account, an Outlook account. So that is the first thing. First is a trigger which works on schedule on a daily basis. The second node we have used is Outlook in this case, but we can use Gmail as well. Whatever email engine you are using, it can be accommodated within this workflow. So here I have used an action, get latest emails by sender email address, and here usually we get these brochure download. In this case, I will take an example of brochure download, which is a very simple form of 2 fields. Usually we receive it from marketing department. So we receive a lot of brochure downloads every day, but not every brochure download are valid. So marketing team, they do their little bit filtering, and then they forward only the valid emails to us, to the sales team. So the sender in this case is our marketing team, and when I run this, it will fetch last 50 records in a particular day. So whenever this this workflow executed, it will execute on a daily basis. It will fetch 50 records from my Outlook sent by a particular person, sent by a particular email address. Now out of that email, I have added a filter node. Here what I am doing is I am filtering all the emails where the subject line contains brochure download. So that is my filter. It filters out the brochure download emails only. Now when the emails are filtered, then I run my AI node where I am doing a little bit of analysis. So AI not only formulates the whole data, but it creates an analysis of that particular lead. So I am getting the email ID from the brochure download, and based on that email ID, based on that email which is being shared by marketing team, I run my prompt within AI, which fetches the website, number of employees, annual revenue, industry, country, phone number, X handle of the company, and any other information which AI, in this case ChatGPT model, the AI model we have used is GPT, but we can use Gemini as well, other AI model as well. So it can fetch all these data and it will output all these data into a JSON format, because I need to post that to Zoho CRM or any other CRM. In this case, I have used Zoho CRM. It can be HubSpot, it can be Salesforce. So the output need to be in JSON format, where I'm putting all these fields like website, number of employees, annual revenue, industry, country, phone, Twitter, description, email, first name, last name, company. All these information I'm putting in a structured JSON format. Now the last step is I have used a JSON converter so that I can get all the fields individually, because OpenAI gives response in certain format. JSON converter actually identifies each fields separately. And then I have used a Zoho CRM node where I have used this action create lead. So within this create lead, I have mapped all these individual fields which I have fetched with the Zoho CRM actual fields. So this is the dynamic field mapping which we have done. We mapped it with first name, phone number, email, website, industry, country, description, annual revenue, number of employees, Twitter, and company name. So all these fields of Zoho CRM are mapped with the JSON output of the previous node. So based on this, whenever I get any email, that lead is automatically being created within Zoho CRM when I get the email in a specific format. So I'll just show you an example. So here we get a lead of brochure download. And if you see the screen, you see only the name of that person and business email has been mentioned. And it is being mentioned that which brochure they have downloaded. Based on the workflow execution, this lead is automatically created within my Zoho CRM with all the details, with the email, with the phone number, with the industry, annual revenue, what kind of apps they want to use, the company name, their X handle, number of employees, and all the description which the GPT as an NLM model is able to fetch for that particular company, and created a summary and post that summary within that description section. So I think in this way, lead creation from a specific email type within any CRM becomes very easy, and it adds additional analysis data through the OpenAI node that we have within appse. So that's all I have to share for today. Hope you find out this session informative, and we will post similar sessions based on the new flows that we are going to create within appse. Thanks for watching.